Hey guys, this is Flying Author Leah. I am here in Nevada. Here in Nevada, you will see this Seven Magic Mountains. It's a combination of natural and artificial beauty of nature. Seven Magic Mountains in Nevada. Combination of natural and artificial beauty, nature. Come and visit Nevada and check all these colors. The beauty of nature. Seven Magic Mountains. The Seven Magic Mountains is one of the largest land-based art installations in the United States, completed in more than 40 years. Consists of limestone boulders stacked vertically in groups. Each totem stands between 30 and 35 feet high. The artist, Ugo, says Seven Magic Mountains elicits continuities and solidarities between human and nature, artificial and natural, then and now. What centers this amalgam of contradictions is the spiritual aspiration, one that bruises, elevates, and transcends. So when you're in Las Vegas area, stop by the Seven Magin Mountains to see these beautiful stone sculptures. The view of the mountains before the sun sets makes it even more appealing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.